What is going on, Garage Couple fans? As you can see, we're not in our typical setting. We made it all the way to Oahu, Hawaii, in the rainforest, you guys. So make sure to stay tuned to see how we ended up here.
We're so excited to share our journey with you on our first ever vlog style of video. We rented a Jeep Gladiator truck. We're gonna show you everything A to Z, so stick around to watch from the beginning.
What is going on, you guys? It is 6 o'clock in the morning and we're going to Hawaii.
Isn't that right?
That's right, honeymoon vibes.
We have been working so hard for this kind of break and we are so excited to be able to take a break like this together. Why don't we get to show on the road?
Let's go.
We're gonna document everything along the way and hopefully you guys can come along with us for the ride.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Here we go. Here we go.
Aline getting in all sorts of trouble here.
Get out of here.
Having to go through Aline's bag.
So we just got out of, what is it called?
TSA.
TSA.
Literally, Aline lost her pre-check because she changed her last name. So I had to sit with her through regular old TSA. This is what the terminal looks like. Look at how empty that is. Take a look.
Now it's time for breakfast.
Let's see what we can find. Leave it to COVID-19 to make it difficult for us to find any place to eat. Don't worry though, Aline and her very keen nose found a nice place.
I'm gonna go here. So I want a croissant sandwich.
Why don't we get our classic, our usual though? What's our usual?
McDonald's.
Let's do it. If we can't find it, we'll come here. We have literally never seen the terminal this empty before in all of our history of traveling together. It was a very turbulent flight, but we did not mind at all, for we have arrived. We are here at our hotel now, about to check in.
So we are in Hawaii, you guys. So excited we finally get to celebrate our honeymoon. Now, I challenged Greg. Every day we are gonna try a new beverage. Today we're gonna go with the Kaloa coconut flavor, just in celebration of love and happiness. So cheers to you all.
A new small one every day. I could sign up for that. Oh, JK. Sorry.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. After killing nearly 3 hours, we finally made it to check-in time and got to our room. Check out this view, incredible. After a nice breakfast and enjoying all of the beautiful plants and trees, we went over and hiked to Diamond Head Park. What breathtaking views. Check them out. What's going on?
Just adding some pickles to my Spam wasabi.
Enjoy. And this was the very first time we ever tried a tomahawk steak. Let it be known we were not a fan, but moving along.
First experience in the Gladiator.
As soon as we got our hands on the Gladiator, we spent absolutely no time exploring the entire island, going from beach from 1 second to the middle of the jungle in no time and right back. We are rushing over to get to the luau. Just take a look at this beautiful lady over here. We hope we don't miss it, right?
Yeah.
Because of COVID, it was actually not a buffet style. We were served in these to-go boxes and it was not something I would want to eat again.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Now that we had some time to break in the Gladiator, off to our very first adventure. Now the thing about Hawaii is there could be crazy rain at any time with no warning.
What is going on, you guys? It is raining today, but it doesn't matter for us. We are gonna go on a hike today.
What do you think of this thing?
Pretty sick. I'm excited to drive it for a couple days and tell you what we think. But for now, let's enjoy the outdoors.
Guess it goes to the same place. It is literally pouring. As you can tell, look at that puddle. We are caught in a flash flood. I don't know what to call it. Let's keep chugging along. Just moving into the realm of solar energy. This is our huge battery pack that wirelessly charges as well as charges by direct plug-in. Also has flashlight. As you can see, the green light on means it is charging. How cool is this thing? Probably not the best idea to wear brand new Nike. I'm just gonna try.
Oh.
Hold on, stay there.
I can't see my feet.
Oh man, you got it. You got it. By far the coolest / scariest thing that I have ever done on my 2 feet. Aline is straight climbing. This is maybe 60-degree incline. Let's see what's ahead of us.
Today is day 6. Time for another adventure. We are gonna go see some waterfalls, some beaches, check some local places to eat. I cannot wait. Let's go.
Isn't that right?
That's right.
Alright, pit stop. Couldn't find the grill we came for, but we have our Jeep JT. Let's look for the food. I just want to comment on how cool this is. This is a Christmas tree in the middle of a park. There's extension cord running just like so, and it looks like it is coming from this house right over there. That is the source of extension. That's awesome. Got me a coconut. No ifs, ands, buts, or coconuts. This is our breakfast spot for the day. Aline is literally photographing the food. Take a look at this. This is the Loco Poco. You gotta do one of those when you say Loco Poco. That is Aline's over there. Time to dig in.
Let's do it.
Don't forget Mr. Coconut just chilling over there. We'll get to you later. We hopped out of the beach. Look at this little place. So we are at the Dole Banana Plantation, the pineapple plantation.
And I want a waffle cone, but we have an issue. It's buy 2, get 2 free, which makes 4.
Check this thing out. It says buy 2 get 2 free. I don't know, are we up to eating 4?
One before, one after? Something like that?
As we wait for this, I'm thinking to myself, we need to go on a serious detox. This is next level. I can't even take her seriously right now.
Their neighbors. That their voyage is over, our door is open. Food and drink for everyone. This tradition continued throughout the years and today as Dole Food Company, and the Dole brand is one of the most recognized brands in the world.
What is going on, guys? We are going on an adventure today, going to the set of Jurassic Park, and then we are heading to a waterfall. We are excited to take you along for the ride, so why don't we show you some clips from the day. Now look at that ocean behind me. This place is crazy in the sense that that area, look at how bright it is, so sunny and bright. But then we face the mountainside and it is as though it's a totally different area. It's like gloomy, rainy, incredible. Better footage. Just take a look at that. That is so different when compared to that. Mahalo. Just would like to share this. 22.6 miles per gallon on average. My goodness, that is amazing. Now time to go to the Kahlua Ranch. Isn't that right, Ollie?
That's right. We excited or what?
Oh my gosh, can't park this thing fast enough. This place is so tropical. Look at these mountains. We are doing the 2-hour Raptor tour, so we are going to be driving our own vehicle. Full send, Darlene.
Full send. What do we got here?
Not quite the Gladiator, but we'll take it.
Let's do it. We've already passed by different movie sets, entered Jurassic Park, right? Super, super cool. This ranch is 4,000 acres. It is seriously humongous. Absolutely beautiful.
Look at that.
Oh God. Oh my gosh, Greg. Was that a good idea? No. No, it wasn't.
We get a break.
Cleaning a little bit of mud off of our phones, right, Greg?
That's right. And don't you forget it. Look at this view. These are Godzilla's, right? Footsteps. Look at that. too down there.
I spy myself. Oh boy.
You wanna get wet or no?
No, go.
Let's check this thing out. Oh my god, I'd be so down for a 6x6. Maybe one day.
Kinda looks like how I get when I don't get my French fries, huh?
Oh, righty there, Chief. This was one of the absolute coolest experiences of our entire lives. We were literally on the set of Godzilla, on Jurassic World and Jurassic Park, driving our own ATV through the jungle all the way down to the beaches. We worked up quite the appetite and soon found ourselves at the local famous garlic shrimp hotspot, Giovanni's.
We are at Giovanni's getting garlic shrimp.
Oh my goodness. As always, Radar Tires comes for the ride. It's 6:30 a.m. We are about to go to a waterfall. It is literally so windy and it's pouring. Let's see what happens. What happened?
Someone broke into the Jeep overnight.
This is the worst. Are you kidding me? At least they left a piece over here. Shoes are gone. Luckily, we didn't have anything important, right?
No, just my pride.
Just our shoes and our pride. Looks like they went through some paperwork.
Oh, my shoes are gone. So after inspecting, it looks like they came in through the back. The entire back was open. We have both of our shoes missing, and we found stuff in here to show that someone was in here. It's pretty disappointing. We were ready to go on our waterfall hike, but now we do not have shoes. So on to a new adventure. We are going to try to locate some shoes.
This is not a waterfall. This is Walmart. I think I'm gonna go with these only because I don't really want to spend a whole lot on shoes that I only am gonna wear once. What do you think, Arlene?
Yeah, do what we can.
Mahalo, bro. It's pretty messed up that someone took our shoes from our car and slept in our car, but luckily I was able to put it back. Full review on that soft top coming soon.
So today's adventure is hiking to a waterfall. We are so excited. Started out with a bit of a bummer. It seems as though someone broke into the Jeep and slept in it. We were missing our shoes. Looks like some extra pieces were left behind. We're gonna shake it off and do this waterfall.
What are you wearing on your feet now since you don't have shoes?
Brand new shoes from Walmart. You too, Greg, check yours out.
Oh God. The struggle is real, guys. I hope you could feel our pain at this time.
We're gonna go, we're gonna push through it, right?
Let's do this waterfall. We're happy to take you guys along with us on the way. I can't walk smooth. Clearly the camera's shaking as I'm walking because these things have absolutely no souls. Just like me. Was just thinking to myself, if anything, if we get lost, the reason someone is gonna find us is because of my pink shoes.
Great.
I love that yours aren't even as pink as mine. Literally the cheapest shoes I could find. Alrighty, let's do this thing, guys. Sit back and enjoy our ride. We are gonna take you through this waterfall trail in Hawaii. Let's do it. Yes, we are gonna follow the water so we don't get lost. But that is a lot of water, huh?
That it is.
It just rained this morning. Hopefully we see a bunch.
Update on our shoes. New colors. Right,
Yes.
not as pink.
No longer pink. Let's do it. Look at this. Our trail ends right over here. We have to go through the water to the other side. How exciting. What do you think?
Let's do it.
How deep do you think this is?
I'm not sure, Greg.
That looks really deep.
What's up, Greg?
Are you struggling here?
Sad. Refreshing.
Don't let the shade fool you. It is really, really hot. It's like 80 degrees, but very humid. And so this sweat is some custom Garage Greg sweat going on right now. Treading through this mud with these shoes is the equivalent of using summer super performance tires instead of using your official radar tires or Milestar tires, mud terrain through this. Off in the distance, you can see the beach waiting for us, calling our mahalos. High five. Shot. I think we found it. Alrighty.
I'm gonna throw a French fry to this group of chicken and see what happens.
1 second, let's see.
They're already coming.
Let's see chicks and chickens, roosters, and let's do it. Boom! Oh! look at him! He can't stop! He can't stop!
Oh man.
Oh my God!
Getting it.
Oh!
Greg, now they're gonna attack us.
They won't attack
I'm
us.
scared.
Walking through the jungle. Walking through the jungle. Whoa! Look at that! How beautiful is that? So we turned the Jeep Gladiator in, but instead we got ourselves some nice chocolate cookie ice cream and some drinks. That is a half yard. We are at Yard House. Pauline is literally feeding these birds. How cute is this? We love doing this. I know
I share my French fries, you know.
this is literally illegal, but we are happy to feed these little guys. Final night out here. What are we doing tonight?
We're gonna walk around for a bit and then we're gonna have teppanyaki.
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 We're so excited. We're sad that it's our last day, but we're definitely ready to go home. We are itching to mod our Jeeps.
Have a couple boxes waiting for us at home.
Alrighty, let's do it. Out of respect for the chef, we decided to put our camcorder down and enjoy the dinner. We wrapped everything up with some interesting boba ice cream and then went back home for the night. We are here eating our final breakfast. Look at what Pauline ordered. Look at what I ordered. Nice island style. Pauline got herself a crab brioche.
I don't know how I'm gonna eat this. Last day here, you guys, and we are just hanging out in the pool.
Gonna just kick it in the pool and then we will head back. We have some big things to do this week. What are we gonna be doing when we get back?
Unboxing and unveiling.
As well as announcing the winner of the Patriot Fast Packs hardtop winner.
Can't wait, Christmas Day.
All right, we'll check in with you in just a little bit. We'll give you some shots of our last day and we'll see you at home.
Just cleaned up the room. We are about to head down and check out. It's a little bit sad, even though we've been here for a minute. We're definitely gonna miss it, but we still have a couple more hours, so I'm gonna get my nails done.
Gonna miss this view so much when we head back to reality.
Let's do it.
Womp womp womp. So we have some leftover food and drink. This bag is gonna be going to a homeless person, and with the rest of our chips there, as you can see, Pauline is about to feed these birds in this tree of life. Hit it. Look at that. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I love that you're doing this. Look at all those hungry mouths that you're feeding. You're so cute.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What's that?
Thank you so much.
Thoughts?
You got me good.
For my garage couple sweater.
Okay, tell us then.
Just finished our last drink. Time to grab our bags and get to the airport.
Peace out.
Physical separation from other persons when possible. Please wash your hands with soap and water. And use your hand sanitizer.
So sad.
Our trip is coming to an end. We have about 2 more hours and then we are off back to LA for the giveaway. Let's grab something to eat before we go though.
Let's do it. I am stuck with carrying Oline's backpack as well as my own. Can you tell them what's going on?
It's too heavy, you guys. I can't, my back started hurting.
Well, let's fast forward these 2 hours. Let's make it home and let's give a hard top away.
Thank you guys so much for watching and coming along for our ride in Hawaii. Now we have to get back to LA to give away a hard top. Love you all. Thank you all for the support and we'll see you guys soon. Stay safe, you guys.